Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 45. If we start with this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 covering this box, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 8, 3. For this bottom row now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 4. No help here, 2, 3, 4. And no help here, 2, 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 9 here, so this is our 4. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. That 4 makes this our 3. We can get rid of this 3 and this 3. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 9. 7 and 9 here, so that means our 3 is here. And no help here, so 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 2 and 7. I don't see any help, so 2, 7, 2, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so this is our 2, 5. That 2 makes this our 7, 2. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. And for this box now, we're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 2, 1 here, so 2, 7. And no help here, so 1, 2, 7. For this column, we're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. If we look at this row, we've got that 7 here, so that makes this our 2, 1, 7. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. All right, so if we look at this row, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. So to finish this box off now, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 and 4 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 2 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.